Here's how you work this incredibly easy beginner shawl pattern. So we're going to start with an even number for our chain and make sure to keep it nice and loose. I'm just going to do 10 today. Yours will depend on what width you want for your project. For row 1, we're going to start by working a single crochet into the second chain from our hook, and then it's super simple, a single crochet into each chain across. So you should end up with an odd number of single crochets when you're finished. And that row is complete. For row 2, we're going to start with a chain 1, and we're going to work one single crochet into this back loop of the first stitch. So just turn your little piece around and work only into that back loop of the first stitch and work a single crochet. Then you're going to chain 1, skip the next stitch, and into the back loop only of the next stitch, work a single crochet. And then just continue repeating that across. And then into that final stitch, single crochet into the back loop. For row 3, we're going to start with a chain 1, and you're going to work one single crochet into the back loop of that first stitch. So just into the back loop, and then same thing, you're going to work one single crochet into the back loop of each stitch all the way across. Work into that final stitch, and there's that row. So here's what you should have so far. So you just continue repeating rows 2 and 3 until you love the size. Bye-bye!